Mic test. Good. Teleporter bugs, actually. What am I doing today? I don't know yet. Don't know yet. Hmm. Excuse me? Excuse me? Hey, Uri. What's cracking? What's cracking? How's that possible? What the hell did I mess up? Oh. Okay. Onwards towards 200,000 lines of C++ code. Maybe by the end of the year. Probably not, though. Probably not. So that's concerning. That means the playtest has the same crash. Hmm. Not sure what to work on today. Kind of feel like working on controller input for a while. Cleaning it up nicely. Laser bug. Oh yeah, I remember now. Before I to do anything major today, I have one task to improve. One task. Oof. Okay. Teleporter found. Good. Maybe teleporter bugs is appropriate stream name, huh? Did I do it at the wrong time? His whole business delaying one frame at a time is probably the cause of this. I hate the pausing and movement here. I want it to be smooth, butter smooth. Actually, you know what? I've been staring at this misaligned text for too long. It's time to fix this nonsense. Let's see. Maybe I is smart enough. Because this is a big, big function. Rendering code. There's a horizontal misalignment. Alright. It would have to be based on width 09. 09 by height of 105? 105? That doesn't sound right. That sounds wrong. That sounds wrong. Yeah. There's no kerning here, just one character. Nah, it's too much. I just need to think about the code. Get new lines. Let us see now. Actually, yeah, what settings do I have for it? Plus, horizontally, takes up everything. Okay. Excuse me? Oh, it must be a different button. Okay. Words in white space, right? That's fine. I need a reminder of all this stuff to remember. Okay. Bearing X. Pixels. Do I even use this anymore? Height, width. How's advanced less than width? That makes 0 sense. Pairing of 1 is just wrong. Bearing X. Oh, bearing that. Okay, that actually makes sense. That makes sense. But advance being less than width is weird. Advance being less than width. No. No. Hell no. And go back to the drawing board. This probably has some bugs in here. Alright, got 43. Alright. Is DF, that's fine. Inner bounding box. Yeah. Really, dude? What's up, Gail? It's cracking. Okay, so XY is 1, X-Men is 1, X-Max 19, makes sense. Things are good, how are you? Just eyes are sleepy. Oh my god. Amen. Boards 23, makes sense. Makes sense. Fine. Good, good, good. Really? Some review. Because I am an integer. I'm fine with that. That might explain some issues if true. Start the engine development, nice. Root cliff. Okay. Yeah, it's true. Hmm. That I'm actually agree on, I think. Maybe. Let's see what do I get. Get 22. Bearing advance of 22. X min to X max is less than. Maybe, but this looks about the same. So it's 22. Let's try it again. This might not be an actual problem. Yeah, that's not the issue. One 61, 31. What's the height double? Max V minus minimum V. Oh, I think because height is something I force elsewhere. So this is fine. Fine. Anything else? Allocation is leaked. Ooh. It's not good. You are correct, sir. Coffee plus energy drink? Oh, hell no. Hell no. I'm gonna assume I can just do that at the end. 50 Dawn Glyph. I can do it even early, but whatever. Okay. Bro. Not exciting. Bearing may not match your Atlas padding. Is that the drug addicted guy? I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm good. think that's fine. Modern open type GPUs kerning, what the hell is that? Yup. No, I'm addicted to actually making a game. That's what I care about. Plus, coffee wouldn't make me a thing better anyway. That stopped working a decade ago. I'm gonna have to ask about this crap. I mean, leak is nice to fix for sure, but everything else I don't much care for. Okay. My concern is width is 31, but advance is fine. Maybe I'm just slicing more than I need, that's whatever. Hey Power, what's cracking? WhatsApp. Is that a greeting or an app name? Okay, fine. Know what? It's probably okay to ignore this for now. Now I need to level up again before I see the plus. Okay. Okay. So fine, width in pixels. Now here I do take advance in pixels. Okay, now that I'm good with that, let's go back. Games about publishing. Not sure what you're asking. Hmm. Yeah, the wishes link is to slowly get like a wish list a week or so before the game looks amazing. I don't think it's a kerning problem. No, I don't remember enough about the code. But that just looks suspicious to me. That looks too small. Too small. Not an expert, that's fine. Just use the eye to teach yourself. Is it going to be ready for playing? I mean, it's ready for playing pretty much any time. Playtest is on, but it's still too early for an actual demo. Once there's a demo, that's going to be more interesting. .008. It seems like it's too tiny. Studying good on ancient, sure. Sounds good. Start of that. Although even that engines might be too big to get started on, to be honest. It might be easy just to start with C first. Why not wait? With. What is that like? $25 pixels. This is Vulkan. This is Vulkan. You can even see my entire list of third-party libraries. An exhaustive list. And that's that. Just a handful of libraries here. And that's that. But I'm an engineer with a lot of experience and skills, so I can just do whatever I want. Add AI to the mix, and it's amazing. Okay, so it's 43, I'm pretty sure. We're looking at 43. 31. 25 here. Yeah, when I was in college, I built a small little game on OpenGL. So it's kind of okay. The text advance in pixels. Fine. That sounds correct. Is this live? It is indeed. Live. Debugging a minor annoyance of mine, where some text is slightly misaligned. In fact, all of it's a little bit misaligned. Draw data, fine. What's up, blue? The blues. Yep, that's the 1, 61, 31. Character and shader space, fair. All that is fine. Line breaks. Right, 0.08 of the whole screen width. What course did I take? I took college way too long ago. It's probably not going to apply anymore. Back then, it wasn't anything game specific, just general stuff. AI teaching is pretty good for sure. And AI is only going to get better. 0.08. Max height per line. It's kind of weird. Why didn't you? Just shoved 0 in there. I'm gonna put a note. It sounds like it would work only for 2+ characters per line. Fine. What's up, Mansef? Yeah, computer science, computer engineering and science. But I primarily did it for the paperwork. It didn't actually teach me anything. Just to get the paper. I did all the studying on my own and coding on my own. Classes were largely a waste of time. 0.02. Sounds like a really tiny portion. Point oh two. Let's do it again. Give me level up. Hey. Dimensions with 0.021. But looking at it, that thing takes up like freaking half. So 0.08. Or maybe it's ballpark right. Because visually it doesn't take much. Let's see. Let's take... What is that? It's like 40%, which sounds right actually. What's the difference between my engine and any other game engine like Unity or anything? It's tiny, it's smaller, but really the main difference is that I know it inside and out. I don't need to anybody ask for help. I know how it works. If I need to add something, fix something, it's very easy to do. Because I understand it. If I knew Unreal inside and out, to the same degree, I would do that, but no. The main difference is the knowledge, my knowledge about the tech. Alright. Let's not get distracted. Just one more. Okay. Ooh, let him die. I needed a collider for this thing. What's this wide? Will this still work? Boink. Yeah. Whatever. So this actually sounds right. Thanks, man. Take care. Feel free to hang around once in a while. Okay. So back to computing left here. Nope. As you've seen, not lagging like it has to render the juggling. Well, actually, it's that's one of the differences between game engine. Because this is my engine, it's extremely fast. Like what you're actually seeing, this is a debug build. This is not optimized build. It runs even faster than that. You see the frame rate? Let's unlock it fully to the max. And this is 4K screen, ray tracing, and a debug build. So that actually runs a little faster than that. Gonna drop down a little bit once we have a little more robots. Okay, let's bump this up. Make sure there's no bad frames anywhere. That's the beauty of having your own tech. You can just carve up the whole statue out of a marble. Smooth it out. There's some frame spikes when I'm loading a new zone. It's to be expected. Plus, it's a debug build anyway, so it doesn't matter too much. Doesn't matter too much. But I got all kinds of tools to analyze the performance of a game. All kinds. Okay. Here, then we're gonna go to left. Computing left. Yeah, this one is sus. This is definitely sus, but whatever. Okay, left, left. Oh, this is a global left. Yeah, okay. It's fine. So 0.021. That makes sense. Yes. About 40% sounds right. It can only mildly adjustment to it. Oh, update is here. Okay, fine. That's top. Top is fine. Okay. No kerning. What is this? Oh, 027. 027. This is why I'm remapping top and left to land in a pixel, right? So right now it's 0.272. Pretty much the same. This sounds right. But I'm doing another rounding. But it's obviously off. Okay, this one is nicely aligned into it, so that makes sense at least. As a test. It's just slightly off. Maybe what it is that it's doing it by the advance, not by the width. Is that possible? Maybe. here. Yep, I was right. I was right. So that is good news. Well, let's struggle for one thing. Which means this is not right. So go back to font loader. Use sir. Really, there was no shortcut? Actually, I'm curious. Is there a shortcut? Or just go. Just go. Just go, boy. Shift Alt. What about sharper? Shift Alt. Shift Alt. No. What about this? Ooh, that one worked. So you go inside, Shift Alt square bracket, close, and expand selection. So here we'll do it. Excellent, excellent. Hold W to expand selection. Still slow. Control Shift W. No. Control Shift bracket. Whatever, this one works. It's useful. I think the advance is computed incorrectly because it is smaller than width. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. I'm gonna have to make I compute the advance, but also I cut out a larger portion for glyph, which becomes its width. And then if I use advance, I get misalignment. Then, why do I do this twice? This line. Ooh, that one went way too wide. Yeah, it's this thing. Blowing out. Let's think. So the advance. Because these things do overlap. mean, it's not quite right. All right, let's see. The width is the whole thing, but not just the character. Oh, is it? Oh, I see. Maybe what I need is, if this is the first character. Character buffer width. Gives me that tiny portion. Will be each line. Each line needs this little padding removed. Line break. Line break. Yeah. Okay. Break. If it's a first one, instead of where the cliff. Okay. Current width offset. Where do you begin? Oh, this means the line in beginning. Let's see. Seems a bit more than I want to. That might actually be correct now. Oh, these things don't have kerning? Really? Of all things, I expect that to have kerning. Weird. Weird. You, sir, why are you like that? Old bugs. Okay. I like that. Everything's seemingly aligned. This, are you aligned? You don't look aligned. Okay. Aligning has been achieved. Okay. Is it just me? This is not aligned. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Nothing interesting. Fine. I think I understand that point, so it's fine. Clean up, fine. That thing's out of the way. Chest break. No. Oh, Alex. I wonder if I can do anything here. Maybe I can at least pressure on here. Time to do this or not? No, let's do it. Here. Just don't get alone time and you'll be fine. That's the key. No, that is not good. That is not good. I finally get away? Maybe not. Woo. Hell yeah. Got a draw despite being down a pawn. Take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. Little font bug has been fixed. What do I want to fix next? What spam? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Doesn't even have it. Okay, first things first, I don't need to show the mouse anymore. Not really. Let's see, what takes care of the mouse? I should do like a countdown. There's a few seconds of not using mouse at all. You should just hide the thing and ignore it until it moves again. I already have that. Seconds before hiding the mouse. I already have that. So what happened? What happened? Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Mouse active. 5 seconds is a good time. Okay. Fine. Oh. What is it called? It must be about incrementing thing. I'm not sure I'm doing that correctly. In fact, ooh. Oh. I misunderstood. No wonder it doesn't work. It will take a while for it to go down. Oops. Oopsie. Okay. Oh, it's too much beat. Okay, how about this? Well, hmm. But is that true? Maybe it's already at 1. I think it's already at 1. Hmm. One or let's try this. 2, 3, 4, 5. No. And what does that give me? Oh. Flags 1. Okay. Cursor showing. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. Visible. Now this makes sense. Now it says it's hidden. I wonder if something else happens which brings it back alive. I wonder. No, maybe Cursor will. Some my bring back the cursor to be visible somewhere in the application loop. One of these things. Set cursor, whatever. I'm not sure. Oh, no, mine works now. Excellent. So now I can just pretend like a mouse and then just control input. Come down a few seconds, disappears. The moment I touch keyboard, it's back. Good. Mm-hmm. No, this looks good. Excuse me? Did you just make changes to my code? That is obnoxious. Obnoxious little thing. What's up, Info? And I have to go through and figure out what the hell Codex did here. Dude, this code is so stupid. AI. I thought I had set it not to mess with stuff, but it messed with it anyway. Actually, does it return? You might be right. Return int. Oh, it does. So it do. Okay. It's not that dumb then, that's fine. I'll give you one more chance. No, too much hassle. Way too much hassle. I mean, it kind of worries me because this can get stuck forever. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Really don't like it. Okay. Next thing I want is... I don't want any hover once the mouse is gone. Good. Go. What is the next step? Actually, fixing that would be good. I don't want this to be interrupted. Yes, plus thing. Where are we at? Settings menu. Yeah. Wait a second. Oh, it does more than just that. Do that. Hmm. Okay. This is not important, but oh, it's on by default for some reason. Be cool to add a circle motion to it. It would be cool. Be back. I can. Okay. How we doing? No particles? Where are my particles? Particle null. Oh, it's on a spawner. Yeah, of course. Yep. A little silly, but whatever. What's up, Ligo? Dude, with so much whining about personal feeling. Like, where's the bro who actually made Diablo like using AI? Yeah. Well, sometimes you need to use the Mozika, like an Aikido. We use the motion of the opponent against them. Because the negativity, positivity doesn't matter at all. What matters is the attention. So being cancelled is the best thing that can happen in the future. Okay. But hopefully, man, one can hope, one can dream about being cancelled. That'll be so wonderful. But first of all, let's see this particle effects. I want to see particle effects. Good. On the way there, I need to be a little shorter, more velocity, less spread. How about this? It's too much. I wish I built a tool to just do this. It's like just, oh, you know what? I should test it here and then at least remember the values from here. I need to make them smaller. This is the one, right? Yeah. I'm gonna bump it up a bit just for funsies. Yeah, it's too much like she's on fire. What if I like real limit it? No, it's too fast. Let's see. 2214. Let's try that. 22. The funny part, I didn't mean to troll. It's just a funny meme somebody shared on my Discord. And I was like, oh, hells yeah. That's the stuff. That's the stuff, man. There's just so much whining. I'll take that for now. ADB. Vullig lurking here, that's right. Plus 10 to like when you visited by a wild Vulligo. Who's becoming increasingly popular. Okay. That makes me want to add like a swirling motion to it. But I should just go to something more productive. That's fine. I'll just show off the use of ARC VCS like a real man. Let's see. That's fine. Don't need this. Need to clean this up in the future. Yeah. Goody. Goody. Monka ass. Indeed. Monk all the way. I'll see about if I can stream earlier tomorrow for way longer. Today is more like a short nighttime session. Hopefully Jonathan Blow is not streaming, so that I'll miss out on any live action. I spent like last 2 days before fixing a whole bunch of nasty stuff in ray tracing render, which is not very happy time. Am I game deving as a day job too? No, this is my job. Full-time working on the game. Nothing else matters. I've done plenty of full-time corporate jobs before, but not for a while, and hopefully never again. One can hope, man, one can hope. This used to have an additional 2 milliseconds of GPU time due to copying nasty as a buffer for skin stuff. But not anymore. Not anymore. Look at this wobble. So much for GPUs being nice and stable and consistent. Look at that wobble. Wobble, 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 wobble. Disgusting. Take that out. Good. I just have a lot of saving and stuff. I do have some saving, yes. Did I worked at Microsoft 7 years, Amazon for 7 years each, so worst case, I'll just go back to working for companies if for some reason I need more savings. But hopefully I can make this game before that happens. And make it now before I needing to do that. But I'll do what needs to be done. Although maybe next time I'll go work for SpaceX. Maybe. Hopefully not. Hopefully I don't have to. And by hopefully I mean must do it now. Just build the game the way it should be fun. Easy clap, indeed. Dude, I get hounded by Amazon all the time. It's like every 6 months, like, yo, you want to go back? You were with us for 7 years. You get to senior dev. You want to go back to senior dev again? Getting paid a bunch of money? That'd be interesting. Question is, do I want to just spend a bunch of time unnecessarily making gamepad be nice and smooth? Right, 3, 4 mouse goes away. Except it came back because I touched the table. There you go. Mouse goes away. I could add the cape to be an additional slot for cape. And have it be customizable colors. Oh, I got you covered, man. I got you covered. I got you covered. If you play, look at the dude. I have Mr. Pinfall has gotten to zone 69, which is amazing. That is amazing. I need to do that myself. What I feel like doing is making a gamepad be nice to play. Right now it's kinda doable. Kinda. It's not fun, but it's kinda doable. Actually, I don't want this. I want turret. Hey, teleporter this soon. Hell yeah. Let's take these bastards out so I can test that out in live. Take him out. Take him out. Thank you. Charge. Oh, that box was something else. Interesting. Interesting. Nope. You know, this actually reminds me of the Diablo 2 when you turn on the stones one at a time. It's kind of cool. Declined. Declined. Why is it still being selected? Oh, items still. Katan Rahar. There you go. Android. Yeah. It is indeed nasty. It was nasty 10 years ago when I briefly looked at it due to requirement while working on a game engine. Mr. Amazon. It was a pain in the ass even back then. And still is. The freaking web devs. It's a constant battle, either to work to more content or work on quality. And delay content even more. Oh yeah, I did break all of that, didn't I? I have to fix all this application of gamepad. Let's see, main menu works? No. Really? Not in the main menu? That is kind of annoying. You have to run material for like 2 weeks. It's funny. That's funny. Although, I'm not sure. Actually, I'm wondering how much of a better return on investment on your time is making a YouTube video out of that versus a Twitter rant. My guess YouTube would bring a higher return on investment, but maybe not. Just purely in terms of capturing and holding attention for the future. Twitter's hiring ROI so far, nice. But it's all slop, yeah. Interesting little dribble there at the end. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's time to fix that robot being weird. It's time. Dude. Ooh. Come on. Take it out so I can take out these guys. No, obviously not in terms of money. Money only shows up to that after like 5-7 years if you're not winning immediately. All right, so where are you going, little bud? Where are you trying to go? There's another robot. All the fun. If there's another robot, I must take him out. Oh, they're both doing the thing. Okay. So let's hide behind here. Investigate. Where are you going, little buddy? What's up, ZY? Cuban flag. This was made by ChatGPT, where I wanted to have some American colors, but put the $sign in there. Also have Ukrainian colors in there, like a flavor. But that's fine. This is my sci-fi game, so I got... Because from what I read, you don't want to go directly into country flags, like it'd be a little wonky. Alright, so where are you guys going? You know, I'm just gonna go look at code. Let's go look at code. No. Makes sense. Fair. Yeah, this is something implemented like a week ago only. AI helped me with the math to do the cloth, and it's all CPU, and it's pretty cheap, which is nice. Because Physics 5 refuses to have CPU implementation for cloth, so whatever. I made a fast version. Yes. What do we got in here? Robot not stationary, good. So what are you trying to do, little bud? Yeah. Just ignore that. Yeah, it's the kind of thing which is actually kind of nice. I can just like modify it into my heart's content. Or I can go like different quality levels. It's pretty nice now. It just works. Does she have jiggle physics? Hell yeah, that was done a few months ago. I got you. Just to prove it to you. Look at all this math. Just pure data. Alright, back to Robot Bug, which has been around for like months and months. Alright, where is it at? Kind of weird to do that, but whatever. Player is not cited. So it grabs the last known player position. Minus 1,000. Is that where I am? Why is it so far away? Let me see. Where am I? That's about right. That's a common vision for robot, by the way. Just what? Wait, why are you going there? This is your last known position. Your ass should be going in here, but it's not. Just to make sure. $962, yeah. I believe that's what it was. 962, whatever. Yep. So it is correct. It's chasing player, fine. It's going to that position, correct. Okay, so the state is fine. It just doesn't. Crowd agent target goal. It is trying to go there. Will that help if I break a wall? Oh, what the hell did I do? Oh, I'm in this mode. Excuse me? Enable to go there. But why is it going... One of these days I'm gonna write my own navigation math and crowd movements. Because I don't understand what the hell is going on. This one looks fine, and yet it's not. Mr. Agent Debugger. Only one active at that position, makes sense. Let's do some comparison. Okay, chasing, fine. Target position, fine. Because I know when it sees me directly, it will kick out of that bad state. Why? I so do not want to spend a week coding Navmesh. It will be so helpful. So helpful. Robots, no mesh. Seems fine. And yet when it sees me, it will kick out of it, and then it works fine. Green means it doesn't see me. That's my last known position where it saw me. And then yellow means red means he spotted me going there. Yellow means it's in range but doesn't see me because its vision is blocked. Oh, spotted me for a moment, huh? Well, gonna have to get into the same bad state again. Mm-hmm. Dude, it's so nice to be able to work on this in debug mode. It's so nice. Don't have to worry about optimized variables. It's so nice. Why does this not press the button? Oh, spotted me through the hole. Amazing. Some people have said that initially what happens here? Do they have a stop? I'm just gonna chill. Oh, he spotted me. No, these guys seem fine. Notice off again, well, but it's slow. Here. Oh, that one. Yeah. Fizz World 1627. Yep. be all those matrices computation. Not ideal. Dude, what is pressing that doesn't work every time? What's up, Bispline? Welcome back. Been a while indeed. Look at that bounce around the corner. Bam. To the back. Ooh, to the back for extra damage? Put out a new property, item property. We do like 50% more damage if you strike in the back. Something like that. Maybe 100%. Backstab plus 100. Who needs to use life and mana potions? They just get used automatically. Really? Oh, I don't have any, that's why. No, I can spend it, okay. Okay. 1, 2. Double. It's funny. You need a property to limit it to like be able to limit how many nodes are allowed in a particular zone. Can't get that state anymore. Well, if I don't see it, maybe I'll just move on to fixing that. Selection kind of works, so now I can do a pretty one now. I should scale up that number. Who has it? Who has it? Map in the world, trap chest. It's on the quest system. Makes sense. Just pawn. What gets triggered? What gets triggered? No trap chest quest, right. Right. Each zoom level additionally brings in excuse me. How to do the math so I can do maybe like every 5 zone at 1. Something like this. Which means now there should be 6. Oh, I did the max. I did the wrong thing. It's gonna spend all 20 or 15. Suspicious. Suspicious. Stop adding up. Interesting. Oh, was I looking at the wrong quest? Okay. So that should be 5, right? Yep. It's gonna be only 5, right? Oh, dude. Who's left? Let's see. First of all, there should be a sub-quest to clear out the current levels to show how many there are. Let's think. If there's been a bunch of robots to spawn, and let's say there's maybe a quarter last left, they could just all get aggroed. What state are you in? Wondering. Do you have access to Game state. No, you don't. No, you do not. Yeah, but this. Yeah. Let's see. Is there no more robots remaining to spawn? And which player at the end? Hmm. Oh, that's what it does. Okay. What are you missing? Nope. This one. Okay. This I can let it rip. Just to make sure. I guess that's fine. Cypher's force. The chase. What's up, Azim? What's cracking? What is cracking? Do I need to do anything? I'm chasing players. I guess I could just set that and move on. Let's try this. Let's try this. Alright. Here's a test. There should be less than a quarter robots left, and if so, the last one should just chase me around. Because they usually don't see you if you're behind a wall. I think I still read. Well. Oh, is he in that weird state again? It is. Fine, but at least... get set. Although, why is this not pointing at me? Oh, it's got reset. Interesting. No, that is weird. Maybe just a bad live reload. I've seen those a few times. Okay, next map. I need more power. Okay. What are you doing, little bud? Chasing player, fine. Can I at least... last known position? No. Oh, don't want that. Well, that kind of solves a little annoying problem too. Yeah, now it actually knows where I am. So it just stuck right on me. I suppose it's fine. At least there will no longer be any weirdly stuck robots somewhere far away. Healing is annoying. I need to show numbers. I need to show healing numbers. Like +2 in blue. Wait, why? What the hell is this? This math makes no sense. What the hell, dude? If number of active robots less than a quarter, yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Maybe they will have to actually show something in the game that robots are after you. Maybe not. Maybe not. Is that the last one? It is. Oh, it's a good fix. Good fix. I like it. Nothing weird. Yeah. But that's good enough for today. I shall continue tomorrow. Until then, is there anybody to raid? Running some Rust. Let's go help with some web dev, Kim dev. Kim dev. There is no game dev. Is anybody on that I know? Colton is on. Hell yes. Hell yes. Colton? Until tomorrow for another stream.